We are excited about building an AI community that is for the community, by the community.
Pixelated flex, 8-bit on the wrist, joystick ambition.
Most games are not written by teams anymore. They're written by either AI or multiple different people that are just selling their information to put into it.
Level up, new map, I don't play small.
AI itself, with the generative processes that we have, not just for code, but for also the environments, the assets, not the story so much, because the story has to come from us. That timeline is shot down from years to months in most cases. The rocket science has already been done. The easy part now is for us to take that rocket science and make millions if we really want to.
The most diverse AI community in the state. We're not just talking about the you of what people look like, but a multi-generational community.
Come